No! Something is wrong! This thing is gonna blow!
What is that sound? I think a tractor is coming.
Ryan, everyone is looking at us.
Let them look. I fixed the engine last night.
You said that last week.
Come on. Are you serious? Did you bring this bike to race? Yes. It belongs in the trash. It belonged to my father. Then your father had terrible taste.
Ryan, please, let us go home.
I paid for the race.
You will only embarrass yourself.
Maybe, but I still want to try. Good. The crowd needs something to laugh at. The prize money can change our lives.
You always talk about the future.
I am working for it.
You work in a small garage. You live in one room. Your bike is falling apart.
After today, things may be different.
And if you lose?
Then I will fix the bike and try again.
I am tired of waiting.
Just believe in me one more time.
Win today, Ryan.
I will do my best.
I did not ask for your best. I asked you to win.
Riders, get ready!
Please do not embarrass me.
The rider on the old red bike is moving up!
Yes! Keep going!
The riders are entering Blackwood Forest. I will definitely catch up. Ryan is now in third place. Ryan takes second place. Only Derek and Ryan are fighting for first place. Stay behind me. Hold on, just a little longer. Incredible control! Why will you not fall? It is over, Derek! You really believe that? What is that? Engine temperature? No! Something is wrong! This thing is gonna blow! Your bike finally gave up. You did this! Of course. But no one will believe you. I saw the button. Then prove it. Derek wins again!
Zero? No. This cannot happen.
Derek destroyed my motorcycle. What are you talking about? He pressed a button. Then my engine exploded. Did you see a weapon? No. Did the cameras record it? The camera was behind the mountain. Do you have any evidence?
I saw him do it. Your motorcycle was almost 20 years old. The engine failed because it was too old. That is not what happened.
Without evidence, the result will stand.
Check Derek's motorcycle.
Derek is a 12-time champion. Why would he need to cheat against you?
He lost, and now he needs an excuse.
He should be happy that old bike lasted this long. I am telling the truth. You did not finish the race. You received no prize money.
Tell me you won something.
I did not finish.
What about the participation money?
There is none.
Nothing?
Nothing.
You used our last money to enter this race.
I know.
The bank payment is due tomorrow.
I know.
And now you have no prize and no motorcycle.
Derek cheated.
Stop saying that!
I saw him press a button.
Everyone saw your bike. It was already falling apart.
You believed in me this morning.
I believed you could win.
And because I lost, you do not believe me anymore? Chloe, you should close to the smoke.
Stay it out! Stay away from her!
Why? Are you gonna drive her home on that?
Derek, leave us alone.
I am trying to help you. There is a victory party tonight.
Why are you inviting me?
Because a beautiful woman should stand beside a winner. She is my girlfriend. Then take care of her. Pay her bills. Give her a home. Give her a future. Can you do any of those things? I will find a way.
You always say that.
Chloe, my car is waiting. Do not do this.
I am tired, Ryan,
Of me?
of waiting for your life to change.
If you leave with him, do not come back when I succeed.
You just lost everything. What success?
Some people are born to win. Others are born to watch. I lost my motorcycle. But I know what I saw. And I will prove it.
That symbol. The Crimson Phoenix has returned.
You survived. Come on. Please. The engine is gone. No prize money. No motorcycle. No way to pay the debt. We are closed.
I am not here to repair a motorcycle.
You were at the race.
You saw me?
No. But you do not look like someone from this neighborhood.
I followed the symbol.
What symbol?
That one. It recognized me.
It is a motorcycle.
No. It is the Crimson Phoenix.
It belonged to my father.
Daniel Hale.
How do you know my father's name?
Because he was the last person who awakened it.
Awakened what?
The power sleeping inside your motorcycle.
The engine exploded.
The engine is dead. The Phoenix is not. A phoenix can rise from its own ashes.
Can you bring it back?
This bracelet can awaken it.
Then do it.
Are you sure?
I have nothing else to lose.
You still have your life.
Derek tried to take that too. Bring it back. Please.
From ash to fire. Rise again, Crimson Phoenix!
Voss!
Stay back.
It is alive.
It has been reborn.
It is still my motorcycle.
Yes.
What happened?
It is still young.
The motorcycle is young?
It has just been reborn.
But it looks powerful.
Power is useless without control.
How long does it need?
That depends on its rider.
What do I have to do?
Ride with it. Fall with it. Grow with it. Training begins now. Do not use full power.
How much power can I use?
10%.
Only 10?
If you use more, it will throw you off.
Good to know. Whoa! Are you laughing at me?
It likes you.
That is how it shows love?
Apparently.
Again.
Better.
Yes!
Feel the fire within. Let it guide your hands. Master the beast. You are ready now. One final run.
What is the target?
The bottom of the mountain.
How fast?
Phoenix will decide.
That is not comforting.
Do you trust it?
Yes.
Then let it fly! It is no longer young.
It is ready.
Are you?
I have been ready for 7 days.
Where did you get this?
Phoenix made the design.
The motorcycle designs clothes now?
Do not insult its talent. Now you match.
Derek will not recognize us.
He will. And that will frighten him.
Ryan blamed me because he could not accept losing.
Would you race him again?
He has no motorcycle.
But if he finds one, I will destroy him again.
It's just a weight of the name.
He just gave me another race.
Then do not keep him waiting.
Ready?
Ryan?
That is impossible. That motorcycle was destroyed. You should know. You destroyed it.
You have no proof. Then you have nothing to worry about. A new motorcycle will not make you a better rider. It is not new.
It was reborn.
Derek challenged Ryan to a rematch in front of everyone. Do you still accept?
Of course! That motorcycle will burn again. Not today. Neither of you will reach the finish line. We will see. Go! Ryan takes the lead! How is he controlling that thing? You are not leaving me behind! What is that? Stay behind me! Phoenix! Burn through it! The Crimson Phoenix is moving across the water! Let us see you fly through this. Phoenix, up! Was that your best trick? Ryan is heading toward the finish line! No more games! You burned once. You will burn again. Huh? What is that? That was close. What happened, Ryan? Are you afraid? Yes! I am! Phoenix Shell! Derek is using an illegal weapon! No! Ryan Hale wins the final race! Ryan! We did it. Get out of my way. You used illegal dark technology during a live race. You cannot prove that device belonged to me. Everyone saw it.
The entire race was broadcast live.
Cheater! Cheater! You are disqualified. Every victory connected to this technology will be canceled. You cannot take my titles! You never earned them.
Ryan, wait!
What do you want?
I always knew you could win.
No, you did not.
I was confused.
You chose Derek when you thought he was the winner.
We can start again.
No.
Ryan, I made one mistake.
You showed me who you are. Now you can follow him again.
I did it. This is not over. You are leaving?
My work here is finished.
Is it?
Phoenix has grown strong.
And I won the race.
Exactly.
Voss, wait! You brought Phoenix back. You stayed when everyone else left.
You do not owe me anything.
This is not about what I owe you. I want you to stay.
Why?
Because winning did not feel complete until I saw you.
That was almost romantic.
Almost?
You still need training.
Then you should stay and teach me.
You learn quickly.
Is that a yes?
It is not a no.